Hi guys, I'm Juan here, up at the sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Before we get started, please go ahead and hit that like button. It really does help out with that vicious algorithm. And subscribe if you haven't already, it's free. Huge thank you to all my subscribers so far. We are on that road to 500 subscribers, so if you haven't already, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can be notified for new videos. And one of those videos is going to be Marvelous Merch Monday! Yay! For the past two Marvelous Merch Mondays, I have been going through my entire Loungefly collection. So please go ahead and stay tuned for part 3. It is coming up. But if you haven't seen parts 1 and 2, go ahead and go back and catch up. But today, it's all about another Tokidoki unboxing. It's been a minute since I've shared anything Tokidoki on the channel, so let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the box that came in, and it has a signature paper I love. Inside, I found this sticker here. So gorge. Love that. I found this Murmurcorno sticker as well, slightly larger. So beautiful. This is what I love about Tokidoki. The art style is so amazing. I love it. But mama, we're here for this. These are all the ones you can get. I of course want Pachoco. The chase would be cool, but these are so beautiful. I love these slats. They're so beautiful. I think this is my one. I think this is like my 4th or 5th one of actually getting the whole marketing material, and it's just so gorgeous. And the tops are these cherry blossoms. Ah, so freaking cute. I love these cases because they're also works of art, and they're where I like to store my Tokidoki when I'm not displaying them. Just look at all the beautiful artwork put into this box. Ah, so amazing. Wow. Love it. I like to open these from the bottom so I don't ruin the integrity of the top, which is that beautiful cherry blossom. No one's looking at the bottom, you know? Box number 1. They started including these stickers, which is really cute, but I don't need 9 of these. Also comes with a little cheat sheet, so you can go ahead and track which ones that you have. Who do we have? Who do we have? It's my chunky boy himself. We have Pom Pom Purin. Oh my gosh. Look at that rice ball that he's holding. So adorable. I love the pink gingham and the cherry blossoms. He is in a basket, picnic basket, and they are just covered in these cherry blossoms. Oh my gosh. So freaking cute. And he has it in his hat. So adorable. Love this little chunk. Yay! Okay, box number 2. So how do we get into it? Who do we have? Who do we have? Oh, Karopi! Oh my gosh, look at him. Okay, so he's on a skateboard, and these wheels do move. Ah, that's so great. And I think they're like a matcha swirl ice cream cone. So cute. There he is. Oh my gosh. Very cute. His shorts are the cone. My gosh. So cute. Box number 3. This is a lot lighter than the other 2. We have. Oh yes! Oh my gosh, Kuromi! Look how adorable they are. Oh, look at that guitar! So freaking sick. Yes, mama! So stinking cute. That is everything. Wow. Just the detail in the bows, the look on her face. The skull here at the end, and it says yeah. She's ready to rock. I just love the spikes, the tail. She looks great. Love this. Are we gonna get my boy? Come on, Pachoco. Come on. Box number 4. Yeah. Oh, we have my Melody. Oh, she is so adorable. I love the little kitty cat in her bow. And the Sakuras, it has like a beautiful ombre effect. And she looks so happy, and I love her little jumper. And then she has this dessert here. I forget what they're called, but it's translucent. So nice. Look at the, see, it's like the leaves falling, and then she has this beautiful pattern on the collar. Very nice. So adorable. Box number 5. Feels a little different. Let's see here. Yes! Oh my god, yes. Oh, we have Pochoko. Finally. I have been searching far and wide for a great Pochoko figure, and they finally included him. Oh my gosh, so cute. They are wearing the signature cactus jumpsuit with the beautiful fan there. Work. They have a cute star. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So stinking beautiful. Beautiful. The leaf detail that you saw on My Melody is also reflective here. And I just love these colors and look how they're all put together. Oh, so nice. It's a baby. I love him. I could stop right there, but I'm not going to because we still have more to go. Box number 6. Okay. This one feels kind of rounded. I have no strength. My god, so sad. Oh, yay! We have Hello Kitty herself. Oh, love this. I love the little donut that she has on her belt. And she's in this kimono, which is over like a Donatella jumper. And she also has this dessert here. I forget what it's called. And that's what she looks like on the back. Yay, we have Hello Kitty. Okay, we have 3 left. So who we haven't seen are the Twin Stars, Cinnamon Roll, Tuxedo Sam, and then of course the Chase, that's Matsumaru. So, I don't know. Let's see what happens. Box number 7. Here's it. Yes, work. It's the other diva, Tuxedo Sam. Look at that fan. Oh my gosh. Very cute. I'm in love. So chunky. So cute. I just love the detail that's in the kimono. So beautiful. Wow. And their stands, they are waddling away. So adorable. And then the signature bow tie, but it has a sakura blossom on it. Oh my gosh. So cute. Wow, that was wonderful. I really do enjoy this series. I have not picked up series 2 yet. I was a little burnt from series 1 because it didn't really go so well. Not me jinxing myself. Okay, this is the second to last one. This is box number 8. We have, yes, oh my gosh. We have the little Twin Stars. Whoa. This is fantastic. They're on a unicorno, which is clear. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. And there they are. Oh my gosh. So stinking cute. Oh. Wow. This one has so much detail in it. And it's massive. Like, this is one of the bigger ones. That is so adorable. They really never miss out when it comes to the little Twin Stars. They always make sure they give them some really great ones. Ah, so amazing. I think this is Kiki and Lala. I love that the hooves are the double colors too. The pink in the front and the blue in the back. How cute. Okay, we've come to the last one. So is this going to be the Chase, or is it going to be Cinnamon Roll? Or is it going to be a duplicate? We don't know. Let's see what happens. Honestly, I don't know. You're not guaranteed to have a full set. Obviously, the Chaser's at play, so if you get the Chaser, you will be missing one for sure. But we know which one we will be missing if this isn't them. So let's see what we got. The last box, number 9, is Cinnamon Roll. Woo! Woo! Y'all, we have all of them except for the Chase, which is okay. It's Bad Smaro, which I like Bad Smaro, but not my ultimate favorite. This is Gorgina. I love cinnamon roll. Look at them. Oh my gosh. And I love the cherries. These cherries. Oh my gosh. This is just screaming spring summer vibes. Look at the little overalls. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a little cinnamon roll tail. Wow, I just love the translucent element of the cherries. The light really does go through it really well. Look at their little face. My gosh, yay! We did it, Joe. Y'all, this was an amazing unboxing. As great as it is to get the Chase, I would prefer to actually have a complete set in the commons when it comes to Tokidoki, because it's all just so beautiful. And I just love that there's no dupes in this entire box. How amazing is that? So please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up because we did such a great job here. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Which one was your favorite? My favorite, of course, had to be the Choco. There's just so many great elements to this, from the gradient of the coloring on the body to the accessory to the star. They popped off. Plus, I've been wanting a Choco from these series so bad. I finally have one. But honestly, my runner-up to that would have to be the Twin Stars, because they literally took the Twin Stars and put them on a unicorn, which is beautifully done, by the way. This is just so gorgeous. I mean, look at her face. She's so cute. All in all, I am super happy with the set. So I thank you so much for being here. Again, thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. We are on that road to 500 and we are doing that giveaway very, very soon. So please go ahead and share this video with someone you think that might like it. And with that, be safe. Tell someone you love them, because tomorrow's never promised. And I'll see you next time. Bye.